Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level competitive geometry is nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook problems, and painful calculations that take all the fun out of learning, get ready to have your mind completely changed. In this video, we tackle a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 9-10 puzzle called the Ladybug Staircase, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an intuitive step-by-step strategy instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. A ladybug climbs from C to A on path CA and descends from A to B on the stairs, as shown in the diagram. What is the ratio of the lengths of the ascending and descending paths? A. 1. B. 1 over square root 2. C. 1 plus square root 3 over 2. D. Square root 6 minus square root 2. E. Square root 6 minus square root 2 over 2. This is the brief on cracking the Ladybug Staircase puzzle. Our source material follows a ladybug climbing a straight ramp and descending a tricky set of stairs, proving that even complex geometry is totally solvable using basic step-by-step logic. It's kind of like a mystery, where the first clue is finding what's missing. First, finding the missing angle. The ladybug's path forms a triangle where the top angle is 105 degrees and the start is 45. Think of a triangle's angles like a strict budget of exactly 180 degrees. If you've spent 105 and 45, what's left in your wallet? Right, 30 degrees for the bottom angle. Now that we have our 30-degree angle, we can figure out the actual shape of the stairs. Second, decoding the stairs. They descend right along that 30-degree incline. Why does this matter? Well, a staircase is really just a bunch of tiny horizontal and vertical lines added together. Finding the total length is as simple as adding the total height and the total width using basic sine and cosine mental math on our 30-degree angle. Since we know the length of the stairs, we just compare it to the initial upward ramp to solve the puzzle. Third, the law of sines and the final ratio. Think of the law of sines as the ultimate mathematical translator, magically turning our known angles into the exact side-length ratios we need to cross the finish line. Dividing the ascent by the descent simplifies the final ratio to the square root of 6 minus the square root of 2, all divided by 2. So next time you're faced with a daunting puzzle, just map your path, find your angles, and let logic do the heavy lifting.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.